Hello, this video will be demonstrating a basic example of a KNX IoT device communicating with a KNX TP device. So let's go over to our ETS installation. So for the purpose of this example, we are going to be looking at a KNX switching device, a KNX IoT switching device, which is this dev board, and KNX switching actuator, which is this device over here. So first, let's download the configuration for our KNX IoT device. So if we select the device, I'm going to select KNX IoT on the top right corner, and then right click, download, download all. Now we get a pop-up here. Let's use the serial number. And it is now downloading the configuration for this device over here. Okay, so that's done. So let's do the same thing for our switch actuator. So I will select the switch actuator over here. Then again on the top right corner, select KNX IP router this time. Then right click, download, download all. Again, we're going to use the serial number. Okay, so that is now downloaded as well. So what we can do now is, if we press the button over here on our IoT device, then that should cause the switch actuator LED to turn on. And then also the switch actuator will send feedback back to the KNX IoT device, and so we will see an LED turn on here as well. And then vice versa, if we press the switch button over here, then that should make that LED turn on as well. So let's have a look. If I press this button here, as you can see, the LED turns on and the feedback as well. So I will press the button again. Now let's try it the other way around. So I will press this button here. And as you can see, it works both ways. So another thing we can do here is have a look at the group monitor, and this will allow us to see the actual communication happening between those two devices. So for instance, we are on the KNX IoT links over here. So if we click on Start, let me clear this window here to make it cleaner. Okay, now if I press this button, we can see the communication that's happening here. So for instance, if I click over here, and we can find, this is an OSCORE message. And here we have the payload, which we are writing the value true, which is what turns it on. So if I press this button again, and then let's inspect this packet over here, and we should see false. And again, we can have a look at, if I stop the group monitor for a second and then change this to KNX IP router, let me clear that window. Then start monitoring. Then again, if I press the button, this time we can see the communication that is happening on the TP side. And this is all done thanks to our KNX IoT router as well as our KNX IoT hub over here. All right, thank you for watching.